What you believe is what you receive. What you believe that you're gonna receive. So what you have to believe within yourself, that is your choice. So to start this practice, you need to open your mind up for possibilities, for opportunities, for big dreams, big thinking that what you are thinking about to achieve in your life. Choose the direction of your life where you want to head. To climb the ladder, you need to be a leader. You need to know that might sometime while you are climbing the ladder, some of the steps, it will be broken and you will fall down several times. You have to believe to achieve what you want to achieve so you can receive it. Universe is ready to serve you. You need to know how to beg it, how to gain it. You need to have tools, strategies, skills, ideas, and everything. And the resources is in front of you. Just open your inner eyes. Resources is everywhere. You must have to believe first that what you gonna achieve in your life. When you enter into the decision-making process, you should have an open-minded. You always need to think to do not enter or let it in the own biases for making a good decision. You need to understand the consequences. You need to reach out, or you need to go away from hesitation. You don't need to think about what will happen if this decision will not work. Somehow, if it will not work, then also you will gain the experience to making another better decision in your life. And it's not about that someone only can can be a good decision maker. Every one of us, every one of you can be a better decision maker. You need to understand the important choice on behalf of your personal or professional situation or position or state, the way you are. I want to share some personal traits that might impact for your decision making. One is overconfidence. Basically, this trait is a common. Everybody have that overconfidence. Many of people overestimate their performance and knowledge and skills and everything. When you yourself completing everyday tasks can help you to make realistic understanding of your performance, realistic resilience of your own ability and knowledge and skill, so that you can make better decisions. You need to improve your knowledge by engaging your habit into assignments, tasks, and taking action, which can be the number one way to correct on your overconfidence. If you are able to manage the overconfidence, then you can make strong decision, or you can build your strong decision making skill as an abundant mindset person. And another is risk taking. While people who are more wary of risks may prefer making safe decisions, understanding your natural inclinations can help you to identify the type of decision making and learn how to against your instructions. You maybe feel fearful of certain situations like public speaking at meeting or huge decision. That's why, to make you into the one beautiful shape, know your goals. Decision making cannot help you without knowing your goal. It will not possible to make a good decision. It will not possible to be a good decision maker if you don't know what is your goal. You have to know the way that where you are going. After that, one day you can show the way to the people.